Hello everyone, let's practice IELTS General Writing Module. Let's begin with task 1 letter writing. First, let's carefully examine the question. Task 1. You should spend about 20 minutes on this task. Question. You recently stayed at a hotel during your vacation. The service was very poor. Write a letter to the hotel manager. In your letter, describe your stay and the problems you faced. Explain why you were unhappy with the service. Say what you would like the manager to do. Write at least 150 words. In task 1, you're often asked to write formal, semi-formal, or informal letters. Here, the letter is formal because you're writing to a hotel manager. Proceed the writing task 1 by implementing the steps below. Step 1. Salutation. Since this is a formal letter to the hotel manager, write, Dear Sirs, Madam. Step 2. Opening paragraph. Here it should be, do we contain about why you are writing, like, I am writing to express my dissatisfaction with my recent stay at your hotel from 10th to 15th September. Unfortunately, my experience did not meet my expectations. Step 3. Body. Here you should describe the stay and the problems. During my stay, I faced several issues. The room was not properly cleaned and the air conditioning was not functioning. Additionally, the room service was slow and the staff were unhelpful when I reported these problems. Step 4. Explain why you were unhappy. I was particularly disappointed because I had chosen your hotel based on its excellent reviews and reputation. The poor service and lack of responsiveness caused inconvenience and affected my vacation experience. Step 5. Closing paragraph. Here suggest what you would like the manager to do. I would appreciate it if you could address these issues to prevent similar problems in the future. Well, I also request compensation for the inconvenience caused during my stay. Step 6. Formal closing. Yours faithfully, your name. Now let's see a sample answer. Dear Sir, Madam, I am writing to express my dissatisfaction with the service I received during my stay at your hotel last week. I booked a 3-night stay from the 10th to the 13th of September in a deluxe room, but the experience was far from what I expected. Firstly, the room was not properly cleaned, and the bathroom had a leaking tap. Secondly, the air conditioner was not functioning, making it very uncomfortable to sleep. Although I reported these issues to the reception, no action was taken. To make matters worse, the restaurant staff were unhelpful and extremely slow in serving food. I was very disappointed as I had chosen your hotel based on its high ratings. I believe I deserve a partial refund for the inconvenience caused, and I request you to take strict measures to improve the quality of your service. Yours faithfully, Priya Sharma. Next, let's move to task 2. Let's read the questions carefully. You should spend about 40 minutes on this task. Question. Some people think that children should start learning foreign languages from primary school, while others think it is better to begin in secondary school. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Write at least 250 words. This is a discussion essay. The key words are discuss both views and give your opinion. That means your essay should cover both sides of the argument before giving your own opinion. And you should apply the following structure while writing the essay. 1. Introduction, paraphrase the question and give your opinion. 2. Body 1, argument for secondary school. 3. Body 2, argument for primary school. 4. Conclusion, restate your opinion clearly. Let's see a sample answer. The debate over the optimal timing for introducing foreign languages in education has gained prominence. While some advocate for primary school initiation, others favor secondary school. This essay will discuss both perspectives before arguing that early exposure yields superior outcomes. Proponents of delaying foreign language instruction until secondary school emphasize cognitive maturity. Adolescents possess enhanced abstract reasoning and grammatical comprehension, facilitating mastery of complex structures like subjunctives or tenses. For instance, teenagers in Japan often excel in English composition after secondary enrollment, as their developed literacy in the mother tongue provides a robust foundation, minimizing confusion between languages. Moreover, prioritizing native language proficiency and core subjects, mathematics, science, frees primary years for foundational skills. Overloading young minds risks superficial learning. Research from the OECD indicates that early multilingual programs can dilute focus, leading to average performance across subjects. Conversely, initiating languages in primary school capitalizes on children's linguistic plasticity. Young learners effortlessly mimic phonemes such as French nasals or Mandarin tones, achieving native like pronunciation unattainable later due to fossilization. Bilingual immersion in European kindergartens, like those in the Netherlands, demonstrates that primary starters attain C1 proficiency by adolescence, far surpassing peers. This approach fosters cultural empathy and cognitive benefits, including improved executive function and multitasking. Neuroscientific studies, such as those by Ellen Bialystok, reveal bilingual children outperform monolinguals in problem solving. In my opinion, primary introduction is unequivocally preferable. The extended exposure time frame, up to a decade, ensures for a boom ensures deeper fluency, while modern methodologies like gamification mitigate overload. Government should mandate it, as evidenced by Singapore's success, where primary multilingualism drives global competitiveness. In conclusion, though secondary timing suits mature cognition, primary immersion maximizes proficiency and holistic gains. Early adoption represents educational foresight. Now it's your turn to share your response. Comment below with your answer, and I'll provide the band score along with improvement tips. Thanks for watching and follow us for more videos.